Hey YouTube, today we're gonna do snowblower startup because it's snowing outside, and oh yeah, just making sure the animals don't get out while I'm doing this because I have to snow blow. Getting lots of snow. It's New Year's, lots of snow. It's snowing down fast. It's only been snowing for an hour and a half, and we've already got at least an inch. So yeah, so we're gonna start this thing up. I hope it works anyway. In this, the amount of snow that we've got right now, it should work. But you gotta turn the gas on, key on to neutral. I already checked the blade. The blade keeps breaking every year. The little pin in one of these, this pin right here, keeps breaking off. So my dad put a bolt in there, and a bolt and a washer, and it seems to fix the problem, but it breaks occasionally when we're all the way at the bottom of the driveway with the really heavy stuff. So the blades seem to be working fine. The pin's still on there. Pin's still on this one too. So yeah, she's ready to go now. So we'll do this. Yeah, it runs. That was a cold start, by the way. I need to find the right choke, but I'm not going to show you guys snow blowing. I'll show you after, though. Because in order for this to work, you have to have your hand on the drive clutch and the auger clutch. And with the camera, that's not too easy. So, yeah, there you have it. I mean, it works. That was a cold start. Starts right up 2 poles, 3 poles, I forgot. Runs on regular gas. It's 4-stroke. Honda. What model is this again? HS-55. And yeah. Well, YouTube, got a little bit done. As you can see, it's all snowy. It's hot. It's like a fire. You can hear the little sizzling. Yeah, it's pretty easy. It took me 5 minutes to do this, even though it's a crappy job. I'll show you here. I went all the way down and all the way back up for tracks for. There you have it, guys. Camera's all soaked, so getting out of there now. Don't want this thing to short out or whatever. So yeah, there you guys go. Hamburgers, anybody?